Welcome to the topic on functions, arrays, objects, and interfaces in TypeScript. In this session, we'll explore essential concepts in TypeScript that empower you to build robust and type-safe applications. 1. Functions in TypeScript. In TypeScript, functions play a crucial role in defining reusable blocks of code with clear parameter types and return types. This ensures type safety and catches errors early. 2. Arrays. Arrays in TypeScript are not just limited to holding any data. You can specify the data type for the elements within the array, providing additional safety and predictability in your code. 3. Objects. Objects are the building blocks of data in TypeScript. With TypeScript, you can explicitly define the properties and their types in an object, promoting code clarity and error prevention. 4. Interfaces. Interfaces are a powerful feature that allows you to create reusable custom types in TypeScript. They define the shape of objects, enabling better code organization and collaboration. By leveraging functions, arrays, objects, and interfaces, you can build type-safe and maintainable applications with ease. As you can see, TypeScript empowers you to build efficient and reliable applications, catching potential errors during development and improving overall code quality. With a strong foundation in functions, arrays, objects, and interfaces, you're well equipped to dive deeper into TypeScript's advanced features. Thank you for joining us in this topic. Stay tuned for more exciting topics on TypeScript in our upcoming sessions.